Hi, my name is Rebecca Sackett. I'm going to respond to the Power Apps Challenge on what do I wish I had known whenever I first started out with Power Apps. I would say one is going to be definitely try to keep it with the simple processes first. Did fill out a paper form or did it in Excel, and now I want to do it in a Power App, stuff like that, so that you don't get frustrated. Secondly, I would say that I wish I'd known at first to not get discouraged whenever I see people say that a process can't be done that I want to do. A lot of times you're just not wording it the way where people understand, or maybe other people haven't figured it out. So that definitely took me a little while of using Power Apps to realize that sometimes I kind of just had to find my own way. And the other one, I actually did a video on this the other day, but I would say is going to be the fact that I keep this app that's my how-to app, and it is so much easier than keeping actual notes. Like, I still keep notes on a lot of stuff, but whenever I get a process down that's something I feel like I'm going to use, and it's something I have not used enough to be familiar without having to look back on how to do it, I like to go put it into this one. So I would say keeping a place that is just an app to keep processes is a good way to keep track of that stuff, so that you don't have to look back to remember how you did it before. So okay, so I've got just different things that I use a lot, and I just kind of do notes here. So patch in a collection, stuff like that. So I've got like here, you know, to clear it, and then what I try to fill in several columns I would use, stuff like that. I've got a loading that I keep in here if I want to use it. I've got a couple of different ones on that. Filter in different sort options. If I want to test out a theory, or I've just seen something that's neat, this is a good place to go do it and save it for later. So that would be one of my other things I would recommend.